Hey gang, Silly Clark here. For those of you that don't know me or haven't seen any of my videos, I've been marketing online since 2010, did a lot wrong in the first several years, figured out what to do right, so I'm going to share with you now that I have figured out it's very, very simple how to succeed online. It's short, it's simple, learnable, duplicatable sequence, okay? What I wanted to show you is, as you saw, it just popped up while I was talking. I received a new lead. I'm in a business called Now Lifestyle. It's my primary business, to be quite honest. I love it. But you have a personalnowlifestyle.com sign up. That one came in around 12:53 in the morning. It's about 1 o'clock, 1:30 in the morning doing this video because I'm a night owl. So this stuff works. I'm going to show you free advertising. Yesterday I showed you a particular free advertising source. Now I'm going to concentrate on what they call online classified ad websites. And what it is you're going to go and you're going to post a text ad like this. I'm going to show you how to do a headline and how to add the website URL. Now, I'm still sticking with Done For You. Lead Capture Pages is a great marketing program out here that I have been a member of a long time. It teaches you all the best habits to learn how to market the right way online. Okay, it is a downline builder for Now Lifestyle. It shows you specifically step by step every little detail, but that's not why I'm showing you this. What I am showing you is because if you took Now Lifestyle out of the equation, don't get me wrong, I'd love to have you guys join me, that'd be great, but take Now Lifestyle completely out of the equation, and this shows you how to use, yet again, Done For You lead capture pages and to put them into free advertising, okay? Because right now, don't spend beyond your budget, and it's real easy. You're going to pay for advertising either monetarily or time. Right now, you want to put a little more time in, use a bunch of these classified ad websites, and get your traffic, get your leads, and get your signups to your program. For example, I think I already showed this to you, but yeah, have a new lead, have a personalnowlifestyle.com sign up. Now, full disclosure, because I don't bullshit, pardon the French. I have 15 personalnowlifestyle.com signups. I had around 8 o'clock tonight, unbeknownst to me, until I came back in here to do this video, I had some paid ad that started running around 8 p.m. Now, this wasn't 15 today with the free advertising. This was 3 new personalnowlifestyle.com signups, and the leads were less than 41. I do not want you to think that this is what you'll get. Maybe you will. You'll pick some doozies of online classifieds. You'll have a good day. Maybe you could. But, for example, I got some leads. I think it was around 50. I think it was 15 leads earlier. And the actual personal signups were 3. Now, that was off free traffic. If you can do that every day with free traffic, that's awesome. So anyway, I'm going to show you a program here. Of course, your 8 steps I've already said. You get everything set up. What you're going to do, you come in here. It's free to use, free to sign up. None of that. All the upgrades, if there are any in here for any programs, it's optional. I'm talking about free. So I'm going to go to, I have these pages, squeeze pages, and a squeeze page is what you should be advertising everywhere. You should not use raw affiliate links. You take this, left click, if I can do that right here. My mouse ran into the side of my computer. Sounds like a bad joke. Take that, left click, highlight, right click, copy. Okay, I already pasted it here. Okay, so you can see, because you're gonna use your headline off of this. It matches. Okay, since these ads are so plain, as I'll show you, classified ads are plain. You need a catchy headline here that works with this headline, and then an engaging squeeze page. So you're gonna come up here. These are pretty non-intimidating sites. Once you sign up, everything's on your left that will show you how to do it. You have a Start Here button on a lot of them. Just go through, see what you can and can't do, and how to do stuff. Easy to learn, super quick. Now on this one, it shows Manage Ads. Of course, I'm already there. Create a new ad. You click on that. You see the ad just did. What I am going to do is I'm going to go do another one here. Now, ad title on this one's on top. Destination URL is on bottom. This is where you want your lead capture page. Your 8 steps, blah, 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 squeeze, your affiliate ID. Okay. And then I'm going to do a different title. 1, 2, learn to make fast cash, question mark, go here. And you don't have to be real hypey, you know, you don't have to be a super headline person. And what you're going to do is you're going to eventually go and you're going to save these URLs. You've done a few lead capture pages in whatever program you're in. In this example, it's your 8 steps. You're going to save the titles, and you're going to save your 8 steps or the, you know, capture page. You're going to have them set up on this, on a text or in your email. You're going to have them listed. And the power of these is they're free to sign up, free to use. You want to get about 25 or 30 of them. I do them every couple of days. I go down through all of them, and some of them you can do every day, some of them every couple of days. So I try and hit it 3 times a week. And when you put this out, copy and paste these ads to 30 different spots, you get free traffic, you know, leads and signups. So that's what you can do. You know, use a lot of these little classified ad websites. They're real user friendly. Okay. I'm going to create that one. I forgot to hit create. So, and a lot of these, you don't, you know, I use the same link because I'd already done one here. But I wanted to make an example. Don't use the same lead capture page like 15 times in a row. They'll tell you, you know, if there are rules to that. They'll say you can only have X amount of the same link, blah, blah, blah. So that's it right now. Lead capture pages done for you. Take it into online classified ad websites. I just showed you how to use this one. This other one, of course, is a little different. This is what you're going to do is it says browse. Post text ads, post HTML ads. I'll show you about HTML ads some other time. I'm talking about free online classified text ads. Okay, you can browse them, earn credits. You can post them, and that's free. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you that it's real simple. I'm going to show you a variety of free traffic resources. If you like this video, you want to know more, you want to see my other videos before this and after this, definitely get on there, on here, on YouTube. Go down, subscribe to my channel. You have any questions, all that list, classified sites, is going to be down in the description, and so are the URLs. If you like the idea of your 8 steps, that's down there, and you're going to have all my contact details. So don't be shy. Reach out, like, comment, share it, subscribe to my channel, and until I talk to you again, I'm doing daily videos, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great night.